Today I'm going to introduce this new smart recessed lighting. This is a 4-inch RGB LED recessed light with warm and cool white, dimmable, 10 watts with 800 lumens, color changing recessed light. Work with Alexa, Google, Siri, sync to music, and this is a 6-pack. I want to give it a shout out to VAISEKE marketing team for sending me this so I can introduce this new cool product. By the way, I'll be including the link that's going to be showing with the description so I can check them out. So you could do the voice control that work with Alexa and Google Assistant and Siri. So this one has a 16 million color and cool and warm white, timer and schedule, voice control, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, group control, remote and app control, share access. So you can use the light for working, or if you have a studio or a reading room, or you can make your room look colorful. And then there is a nighttime mode. So the warm white, it is 2700K, and then warm white is 4000K, cold white is 6500K. So the voltage range for this is 100 to 220 volt. The lifespan on this LED will be 50,000 hours. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys this cool recessed lights. And here's the product description. So this is the branding right here. VAISEKE Smart Recessed Slim LED panel lighting, and this is a 6-pack. And here's the specification right here. So you use this card to draw an opening line at the installation location. Cut the hole this line. So since I already have my recessed light that has already cut open, hopefully it's easy to install. So you need to do the QR code scanning for this Smart Life app. So this is the gateway. So since there are two LED lights right there, there's a micro USB adapter. And this is what it looks like. It comes with two different connection that goes into the box. And they always come with this cap. So you got the hot, neutral, and then a ground wire. So this one you need to put on top of your ceiling or in drywall. And blocks go with black. Make sure there's a notch right here. Just push in, that's it. If you want to take it out, just pinch this too. And then same goes with the white connection. So I need to pinch this plus push this button down at the same time. Oh no, just pinch this then. You should come with a charger then, let me see. Oh, so here's a USB charging cable adapter. That's going to this gateway. So the wire connection that goes on the top. Then that's it. So you need to install this individual box for each recessed light. Yeah, I can't wait to install this. I want to see what it look like. And these are pretty light. And these are spring loaded. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And if you like this product, please be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check them out. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.